Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you, or come with me, I'm showing you how to make Christmas planters from the scratch. So I have here ready, my pail has already soil and foam. So now we're just putting the greenery, and then this order is pair. So one design, but it should be match the other pot. So right now I'm putting the greenery, fill up all the greenery in here. Then after that, then we can decorate it with our accessories. Okay, when putting a greenery, I start from the middle. So I try to make it like a triangular on the middle. So the height, you should know how high you want. This planters is a smaller version arrangement. So I think this is only like 1.5 foot high, and then a triangle in the middle. Then the side, make sure there's a little bit, maybe half foot per side, uh, dragging a hanging of the leaves. So here, as you can see me here, I'm putting the back, filling up the pot, the back side of the planters. So I'm putting more leaves in here for more coverage. In here, I'm fluffing down the front leaves, like so that I can insert some of the accessories that we are going to decorate these planters. This planter design is the Hoo Santa Claus. I have that accessories, and that's why, as you can see me here, I'm fluffing the leaves so that we have a space on the middle to put the accessories and the ribbons. So as you can see here, I'm done putting the leaves, filling up the leaves on the pot. So this is ready for decorating our accessories. So before we can decorate the planters, we have to make a ribbon and prepare our accessories to design our planters. So in here, as you can see me here, I have buffalo plaid ribbon. I make it, and then I make sure when you're making a ribbon, you know roughly how long coming down the ribbon. This one I accented it with white, plain white ribbon. In here, I use bow maker ribbon to hold and shape my ribbons. So I attached a wire and I twisting it until it tighten and hold the ribbon I make. After this ribbon, you have to attach this one to the barbecue stick. You twist the wire in there to the barbecue sticks, and then after that I'll put a glue to seal the ribbon to the barbecue stick so that it doesn't come up. Then I put aside to let it dry the glue before we can use it to accessorize our planters. Here I have a red ornaments, so I'm putting this ornament to our planter. So I have to put a glue, cut that thing that holding the ornaments. So I cut and then put a glue, and then I stick this bamboo stick. Then after that, you put it aside to dry. In few minutes, then we can use it to our planters design. So now it's time to decorate our planters. So this planters is a one ho-ho sign with two pine cones and one red, and then plus the ribbon. So since we have prepared already our accessories to decorate our planters, now it's ready to stick our ornaments and pine cone to the pot. So in this design, I have two pine cones. One is painted with white, one is just plain brown. I put it side by side, and then in the middle I stick the red bulls ornaments, and then I put the ribbon. So from here, at this point, you can arrange the ribbon how you would like to see, to make sure it look good for your planters. See here, when I do the ribbon, I make sure it's a little bit longer. I like a longer ribbon hanging to my pot, so it look more prettier than the short ribbon. I don't like that. I like long ribbon hanging down to the pot. So here I'm doing the other pair. This one is because my customer ordered to me two pots, so one pair of this design, Ho-Ho Santa Claus. So now our planters is done. So I'm showing you how it looked like Santa Claus with buffalo ribbon, with white ribbon, and two pine cones with red balls on the middle. So this is two pairs of planters. Here we're going to finish the arrangement with the red dog wood. They call that this wood, the stick. The red one, they call that dog red wood. So I normally use this to accessorize all my planters. It look nicer with some twigs in there. So that's why you can see me cutting and adding it to my arrangement. And this is completely done. I normally do this Christmas planter arrangement during Christmas season. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, support my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.